Alright, we got one for you guys. Thanks for clicking on the video. I'm on a lunch break here. I got a few minutes to burn, so I might as well burn it in the sky. Pretty gray out. Pretty crappy few days. It's been pretty lame. But if I only flew when it was nice out, I would never fly. So at least it'd be few and far between. Anyways, we'll get everything powered up here and send it up. I'm just gonna shoot this in automatic, I think. It's pretty gray out. The light is bouncing all over the place. Let's see. Yep, auto. I think I have it in 100. Yeah, we'll do 100. D-log M, the usual, wide. All right, let's hit record. Am I recording on my phone? Yes. My antennas are out. Yep, no power cables. Pretty much open field. There's a little bit of a pond right over straight ahead. Let's pop it into manual here. Let's get warmed up. Let's check my angle. I got a 35 right now. It was at 40. We got some geese. I don't want to fly real close. I don't want to fly over them, because then they'll fly up into the drone. Oh yeah. Yeah, look at you guys. Ice skating. Shouldn't you guys be going south? Maybe they're just taking a little pit stop, refueling. Hey guys. Yeah, I'm trying not to fly over them. They're getting mad. Yeah, let's fly with you guys. Hey guys. They're like, oh crap! We're gonna die! No, I'm not gonna hurt you guys. Oh, there's another pond. I wonder if I should, thinking about doing a power loop, but I really don't want to scare him here. It'd be cool to do it like right over them, but I'm afraid they'd fly right into it. They'd fly straight up. I see some geese off to the right. See if we can catch them. Is that a seagull in there with them? Hey guys! I'm one of you! Oh yeah, they're freaked. Alright, let's not scare them too much. trees in here that'll try to get me. Wow. These trees were kind of cool. Over here. More geese. Man. Oh, it's the same ones. Circling around. I can tell by that seagull. We got a fraud. Hey guys. See what's over this way. Not a whole lot. It's kind of fun with those Canadian geese and the seagull. It's funny because, yeah, you just never know what you're gonna find. Things happen, like a seagull randomly with the Canadian geese. That's just hilarious. I would have never noticed that if I wasn't flying around. And my battery's getting low. Let's see if we can see the seagull one more time. There's quite a few in the air now. Maybe they're gearing up to finally go south. Yeah, more of them making a pit stop. I doubt that seagull goes down in there. Battery low. Alright, see you guys. That's so cool. So cool. You know, and you're not gonna do that on your traditional drone. Like, it's just not fast enough. It doesn't fly like this. Alright, let's get back home here. Trying to make it so I'm not getting my van in there. Less editing, but I'm nearly crashing trying to do that. So let's flip it into normal mode, back it up. %, battery. It is pretty cold. We've been recording for almost 9 minutes. bring it down. All right, I like this spot. It's pretty cool. Yep, that was 9 minutes, pretty much exactly. And motor stopped and stop recording. All right, well, that'll be it. Thank you again for liking and commenting down below. Some people might not like the fact that, you know, I'm flying around with geese. I try to be respectful. I really don't want to, you know, endanger them in any way. Just trying to fly safe, yet get, you know, some pretty cool, you know, shots and visuals of things. So, yeah, thank you for clicking on the video. It really means a lot. Watching and commenting and subscribing. So thank you. All right, have a good one.